morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm extra excited because I am going to be going on a trip to Lake Tahoe with a few friends and volunteers of mine, and we're going to be going for the weekend and everything. So I just pulled up to one of their houses right now and I'm going to wait for them because they're late. But yeah, they're going to be here soon-ish, so I'm super excited to go on this trip. I've never been to Lake Tahoe before, so it'll be my first time going up there and my first time making such a big trip like myself driving. I usually go on big trips with my mom or something like that, and we either switch off or she drives most of the way. So this will be my first really big trip, and I have this amazing camera to capture it all on now. So yeah, so we're just gonna wait for everyone to show up and we'll be headed out. They made it! Yay!
Well, we're only 2 hours late, okay?
Only. That's impressive.
Oh, let me lock the door.
Oh. It's kind of important. They're gonna steal your costumes.
You're laughing.
I joke,
but actually, I've been somebody stole all my costumes.
That sucks.
Uh-huh.
Colder.
Let's go.
Yeah, right. I brought my swim trunks. These ones are both. This is meant both for hiking and swim trunks.
Wow.
She heard the door.
predicament. So we're coming down this road that my GPS took me down, like a ridiculously like back roads kind of road, and my car is definitely like not made for this. I know, I'm not listening to the GPS anymore. And a car, I can't even see it on here, but a car all the way down there got stuck. Let's see if I can find it on.
Like all the guys are coming out to try and help and push the car, but
Anyways, we're waiting for Brendan to come back so he can get in the car, and then Oksana's gonna direct me on how to get out of here and turn around and go back down another road that's way better. But then of course I have to go down awful like ruts and everything that I really hate. But I have experts with
Do
me.
you have any little, you don't carry any shovel?
I don't carry a shovel in my
Anything
car.
like shovel, so put it lower.
No. I do not carry any kind of shovel.
how many more hours till we're in Tahoe? Lake Tahoe?
Like 2 from here. Oksana has a lot of experience with this kind of stuff. So she's gonna end up directing me afterwards, and I'm gonna not listen to the GPS. Because the GPS took us down this way. Now Brendan's coming back now. Let's get out of here.
Wanna go on waterfall? We can either go on waterfall or we can go on the best spot on the rock to take pictures with the amazing view.
Yeah, that one.
That one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Had to swim. We went all the way in the middle. She fell over. I wasn't heavy enough. The thing just flew and threw me down. So I'm in the middle of this lake by myself. She's already going to the shore. And so uncomfortable. You can do it. Can you tell me what you're doing here?
Graduation photos. Learning how to pose and try to be comfortable, and I'm not.
Hopefully we got good pictures.
Hopefully.
You look amazing, great. The view is amazing. Yes. You know, we. Please don't fall.
We can go that way.
firefighters camp. We would
We made it! Woo! This is so cute.
Oh, the stairs are. Oh, they have a piano.
Oh, nice. Lots of board games. No fun ones. It is very cute. With a towel. Ah, this is my bed. Look at this bedspread.
Oh my god, it's so
Thank you.
pretty. Fine.
You share with Amy.
Did Brandon want to check the room?
I don't know.
want to remove.
I think he went outside.
Let me see what's going on.
Your towel. Oh, jeez.
This is cute. Where's the light? They have a bath.
Oh, nice.
Cute.
Please don't flash everyone.
If no one's doesn't mind, I will stay in this bed.
Amy can put those together.
What's that?
Look.
Oh, you can sleep
Hi.
with 4 people in here.
Brandon. Hi. Brandon.
We can have like a slumber party with all. Oh yeah. We can. Giant bed. We can. I took the bed. I think this bed's even bigger.
This is a cute bath too.
Oh, this is. What? Why?
Probably for like the heat or the AC to come through.
We could have took Rana. They have fencing.
I know, right? You could just put him out here. Watching Hell's Kitchen. We devoured our food. And Oksana's listening to techno.
I'm listening.
She's trying to make a video.
Yeah, I am. Don't watch it.
Oh my god. That's it. That's it for day one. Is just traveling and that's it.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Alright, everyone is going to their separate rooms now. And so we're all just gonna settle in for the night and that's it. So I think I'm going to cut these vlogs up into different days and everything because there's just a lot of footage that I have to go through and I don't want to cut out too much. So obviously today was a lot of travel and driving and everything, but some really amazing things as well. And yeah, so maybe in the morning I'll show off the cabin just a little bit more. I'll show the view and everything because I have the room that has the door out to the balcony. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this one, part one of our Tahoe trip. Thank you guys so much for joining me and give me a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And comment down below if you've been to Tahoe before and just, I mean, if you've been up this north in California at all. I would love to know your experience and everything. So yeah, really excited to be here and I'm so happy we made it safe. And that's gonna be it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.